So this is latest Korean machine, 3-in-1 laser station. See the aesthetics. It has Korean handpiece, Q-switch anti-arc laser. .360 magneto IPL handpiece and the 10 megahertz RF. See the complete aesthetics, tough body, full ABS. The overall look and feel. So this is pure IPS display panel. So emergency switch, main key switch, condensed cooling, water based condenser cooling. See the pure IPS display panel. You can select OPT for IPL, RF for anti-aging RF, and the laser for Q switch. So we'll start demonstration. First IPL. So see the different menus. You can do hair removal, you can do skin rejuvenation, pigmentation therapies, vascular therapies, acne therapies, and OPT SHR. You can do like this. If you have a very good practice, you can do OPT SHR direct. Suppose you want hair removals, you can select hair removal option. So you can see the recommended filter and the complete detailing about IPL power, complete cooling, machine temperature. It's automatically condensed cooling, so it will trigger the refrigeration system. So after this machine, it will increase, it will decrease the temperature. So first we'll demonstrate IPL. See the power of IPL, see the handpiece quality and the complete aesthetics, the filter, and this the lamp. So just ready the machine and you can see the lamp is ready, and see the fire, see the illumination. This is the overall frequency of machine. After that you can do many procedure with many different filters. After that we have RF. So it has very good RF. You can do for face, you can do for body with different frequency. It has multiple frequency, multiple power. You can increase energy, you can decrease energy. It's a condensed cooling based RF. So basically hot and cool procedure you can do. You just start this machine ready. See the light is on, and once you start, this is the cooling temperature mode, and you just press button and do the procedure. So heat sensation you can feel as well as the cooling sensation you can feel, and during this operation you can see the flickering, counting. So RF is very good for anti-aging treatment, all kind of wrinkle treatment, anti-aging treatment. Post this we'll demonstrate the laser Q switch. So with this Q switch you can do eyebrow bleaching procedures, freckle procedures, plaque doll, carbon facial procedures, tattoo removal procedure, and the birthmark removal procedure. Suppose you are doing tattoo removal procedure, so you select tattoo removal, and then you can see the count of complete the handpiece frequency. That means how many shots in per second it will release. So you can set it up to 10, you can set it up to, and start from 1 to different procedure. You can set the energy power. It can increase up to 2000 millijoule, and you can start from 200-300 millijoule. So very good energy you can achieve. You just ready the machine, and now you can see the overall penetration. So we'll increase the power slightly, and then you can see the illumination and the voice of shots. So we can increase up to 2000 to see what is the frequency kind. See this different angle, different shots like this. So we can achieve a different procedure with this Q switch. So if you want plaque doll facial, you can do different filters. So you can make black filter. You can just place it, black filter, place the complete carbon paste on the dermis, and then start with the black doll facial procedure. So this is the machine all about. So see the aesthetics once again. Thank you so much.